Okay, so we got the milk in the bag. And I'm going to show you how to do this. When you put the bag up. So you hang the bag up. Put the rubber band part. Insert it into the top. Pull it around the black thing. And close the top. That's all. Put the power on. It's going to say keep settings or clear settings. At this point, we're going to clear settings. Adjust feed. Feed rate. And volume rate. So first we do feed rate. Which she's doing. This is a daytime feeding. Daytime is set at 95. Press enter. Volume rate is 100. Press enter. Then you press done. So now it's time to prime it. So as you can see, the feed rate is 95 mils an hour. And the volume is 100 mils. Okay, so now, since the milk is already in the bag, I like to put this part, like inserted at the top, just like that. Just so it don't spill any milk. But you always have to make sure that the cap is not on. Because if it is and you prime it, it will shoot across the room like a bullet. Press prime. Then you press auto prime. It tells you it's priming. And you'll be able to see the milk start flowing from the bag down the line. It's going to stop. It never goes all the way up to the top. At that point, you have to push hold to prime feed. That's going to make it go all the way to the tip. Boom. Stop, girl. Anyways, you press done. And that's pretty much it. Now you ready to connect her. So, here she is. And you know that she's a challenge in itself. Yep. So, she should already be connected. We're going to take the line, take that part, let's see, if you can see, I hope you can, but we're going to connect it into the bigger part. The smaller part is for medicine. Then we have the clamper. Always, anytime you're going to take this out, you unclamp. Anytime you're going to start a feed, make sure it's unclamped. I mean, when you take this out, stop out. Make sure it's clamped if you ever going to take this part out, so the milk don't flow back out or the contents of her stomach. So open the valve. Now, you're ready to press run. Boom. And then it's gonna start to flow into her tube. And that's it. That's all, folks. That's all, folks. Oh yeah, the overnight feed is pretty much the same. Except you will do the top part, the milliliter per hour will be 68. And the number at the bottom, the volume, will be 750. So that would be over a total of 11 hours. So, yeah. That'll be way more bottles.